them I go do you know. NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. Hotter.
Boy. I tell you enough people, yeah, just that story, yeah. Me go talk about it, you know, but in the end, people, me nah go this no man, talk bad against the man, you know what I mean, because man and man want the opportunity in a life, and me nah go, you know what I mean, say nothing for, you know what I mean, put no man down and nobody down, but based on the article that I read of a lady who is overseas and decide to share her story with the editor people. So, me decide to say, you know, me I go share the story with Uno. You know what I mean? So, as me I say, I know nothing for carrying hard feelings or nothing. You know what I mean? To nobody. But a reality. So, based on this article now that I read, people, seeing a lady now who says she is 46 years old. Says she live right now in our small island, people. So she said she met this young man because she was in the US, you know, but now she living at the small island. She originally from the US, based on what she said. So she said she met this young boy now, people. At the time that last year, not January, she met him. So she said at the time the boy tell her say he's 28 years old. And she have 46, you know, so she have go and like a flang and thing, and them a do them look a thing, and so they have a couple knocks and thing, and you know what I mean, couple bed something there and twist up and up something there. But not the end, people. She said she know, like, you know what I mean, she don't really, they get me. So she just see and the boy ever take a trip over to New York, you know, people and thing. And you know what I mean, go enjoy themselves, chillax and relax. She said now, come on down to me, you know. This young boy, you know, was supposed to go home in May, people. You understand? If you go to my yard, go back to Jamaica. Well, people, she say after the young boy comes a woman to go home back to her yard, people. She want help him and she fall in love with him already. So young boy say married and she married him and thing and try to work out look at the things with him and give him look at straightness and thing. But she said, people, about a month after she comes, a woman married to the young boy. Hey, yeah, you go on now, NEWLINK. Young boy change up. She said, before young boy used to fling it on her in the morning, in the afternoon, in the night. She said, before young boy did her work. So young boy top work. She said, before young boy not play no video game, now young boy start play video game every day. He said at the end she find out say young boy at 23, man wasn't 28, my world. So 23 and 23 how much people? 46, like how they say me do wrong mathematics the other day. 46 that, me no wrong. You understand? She has son you all like you and young boy to, you know, people if you tell her the truth. She say young boy start diss up her son them. Young boy she find out say young boy, he never a girl a yard who is 24 who young boy get pregnant. While young boy with her. Now the end she say young boy confess to her and say, yeah, go on now. You don't really want no whole foot. You know what I mean? In a whole front, sitting up and up and on a whole front. So young boy say, tell him the truth, say listen, a paper me married if you get come on my visa. You know what I mean? Young boy confess. Now the end people, she say her friend them, she stressed out right now, she depressed. She have a medical condition and think she in a nice job and everything. But she still love this boy. She say her friend them everybody convince her to leave the boy because the boy use her, but people say she confused and don't know what to do. You know what I mean? Because she fall in the trap with this boy already. But she just don't know what to do. Well, the editor is there. Editor give advice and thing, people. And all editor can tell her, say, listen what me I say. Leave this boy alone. Because if this boy did really want you, you would behave that way. I remember when the boy is a young looking boy, mature boy. And me follow the editor and work with him too. And me now go say at the age of 23 now, because I know a young man with 23 are more very mature enough people. But something wrong with this boy ahead now. This boy is a damn user in a, you know what I mean, and a fool too. Because if you must say I'm playing cards and I'm not showing cards, I think we're still doing things in the people. You know what I mean? and I go and live and I make life see and we. You get me I say? But him is a fool. Cause me a yard man. Me know enough yard man, not just yard man alone. Enough man from over we at the island them over so, we bridging them over so. Do them same thing at people, but them on a fool. Them a throw them cards right for y'all 10, 20 years. But this boy you know, is a fool. So me that tell you man say you run him way. Nah, I idiot. And at them make you look bad pan we. You understand? Because you are going, I thought NEWLINK I go say, him nah no style. When me bridging them down the road, I say, him a waste man. That's what. The boy nah no style, him a waste man, a fool, that idiot that. You understand me people? Because there is no way. You know what I mean? Instead they so. And yeah, that's something to say some man a real fool, yeah man. You know what I mean? Watch out people, more traffic again. More traffic for NEWLINK again, not the day. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. Boy, oh boy, yeah, me tell you bad luck. Bad luck, bad luck. Bad luck. Bad luck. But, in the end, people, we have to know what we are doing in our life. Don't be a fool, don't be ungrateful, and don't be an idiot. You don't know people, thanks to the love, thanks to the support, thanks to everyone who subscribe, everyone who follow up on YouTube, you know what I mean? Everyone who support NEWLINK channel, thanks to the love, thanks to the support. And remember to check the bell icon, the notification bell icon, and hit it back again. So as NEWLINK drop the video, we'll get them. And please click on all notification. So when you drop the video then just go pop up on the thing. You understand? They're on the computer, on a tablet, on the TV, YouTube TV, anything when I watch NEWLINK pan. Yeah man. And I appreciate the love and the support people. Big up, peace up, respect every time. Enough love. Attack them NEWLINK.
What them a go do you know? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.